civil danger for areas up to 550 miles east of the Rocky Mountains, including portions of the states of Arizona, Colorado, Kansas, Montana, Nebraska, New Mexico, North Dakota, Oklahoma, South Dakota, Texas and Wyoming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the National Weather Service. An unusual and extremely dangerous event is occurring in the Rocky Mountain foothills and areas up to 550 miles east. Extremely powerful winds of 50 to 65 miles per hour, with gusts reported up to 90 miles per hour, are sweeping massive amounts of dust into the atmosphere. However, by unknown means, the dust and soil being wafted has become highly radioactive, and is spreading east at speeds between 60 and 80 miles per hour. Those in the areas affected must seek an underground shelter immediately. Bring enough non-perishable food and water to last up to 14 days. Fallout is likely already spreading. Fallout is a deadly byproduct of nuclear reactions. Fallout is odorless and colorless. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Seek immediate fallout shelter immediately. Major population centers in the warning include, but are most certainly not limited to, Denver, Albuquerque, Billings, Cheyenne, North Platte, Bismarck, Rapid City, Amarillo, Oklahoma City and Dodge City. Take protective actions immediately. The dust storm may not have to affect your area for deadly fallout to be detected. Local wireless emergency alerts will be sent to those in affected areas when radiation is detected in excess of 5 sieverts, which is the minimum amount required to guarantee fatality. Stay tuned to local news networks for further updates on this catastrophic situation.